Today we are going to perform Egr blanking on Tata Safari. For that you need firstly to remove the engine cover. Here is the Egr valve located, but due to lack of access we are not blanking it from here, we are blanking it from here. This is the outlet port of exhaust gases from which it goes to the intake manifold, so it doesn't really matter if you blank it from here or here, it do the same work. For that you need to remove two 10mm bolt using a T-wrench. Now the bolts are removed. You can easily see that there is a metal gasket inside. We need to take this gasket completely out. Now gasket removed, you can see the amount of carbon deposit it has inside. This is why most of the people use to blank the Egr. So these are the things needed for the job. This was the wrench from which we opened the Egr valve, a pair of scissors, a paper hole punching machine, the Egr gasket which will work as a sensor, a permanent marker to mark the outlines, and a can of Coke. And make sure you drink it before you do anything to it. And please, and I'm not promoting Coke in any of the sense, any can work. Yep, Coke finished. Let's get started with the work. This is the portion we need. Clean it well. And if possible, straighten it as well. As much as you can. Mark the holes out. And the outline as well. This will work as the blanking sheet. For blanking sheet I use usually aluminium foil because it's a soft metal, so it don't take that much of place, means it doesn't need that much of clearance inside two parts, and it's a soft metal so it can press itself and make a proper seal, which most of the hard metals can't. Cut this out. Blanking sheet done. Just need to punch holes through the machine. I punched the holes out of the blanking plate. I also punched two holes inside because I don't want to completely block the Egr gases, because if it is bad for the engine, because it creates carbon deposits inside engine, but it does a good work also, and that's keeping the temperature of your combustion chamber down. So yeah, partially blocking it means like 70% blocking and 30% just on in the open state. I guess that will be better. And next work is take the gasket we took off from the car and place it like this and install bracket in car. and your blanking is done. This part purely depends on you. If you want to properly blank it completely, then you can do it, or either you can do this thing. You just have to bolt this down and your job is done. Signing off. Thank you.